Hey friend, and welcome to my channel, Live and Live Well with Chevy. I'm getting started by first introducing this juicer. Is the Namaste 2 I got right before Thanksgiving, and I have not unboxed it yet, so I decided to do that today since I have time. But welcome, and I will be sharing more about this channel shortly, but I'm like, let me get started and post some lifestyle video because this channel is going to be about leadership, lifestyle, and wellness. And I said, you know what, let me open this up because I have not done so. And what did I do with the knife? And on here is going to be, like I said, all things leading well, living well, because as someone who has served 22 years in the military and has launched multiple YouTube channels, and I've gone through just life challenges, all the things, we'll probably share more about it. Also, as someone who has a wellness background, I'm gonna take this down. Ooh, look at this. Y'all, I've been wanting one of this specifically for a while, and one of my friends has one, and she was like, go get it, it's so good, it's worth it. It was expensive, but when it comes to my health, I don't mind. So how do I open this up? Y'all bear with me. Okay, let's see. And it is heavy, okay? All right, I think we gotta go this way. Okay, is it me? I think it might be me. Oh my goodness. I'm not trying to break a nail. So let's see. Ooh. Okay. Open. Y'all. I'm gonna tilt the camera down a little bit, and right here it says open here, and I did not read. So it's so important to read, and let me know if you're that person, if like when you have to open something or put it together, do you read the instructions or you just kind of look at the pictures and go from there? I do both, but I'm a visual learner, so I like to see things, so I like to see the pictures, and then from there I will do what I need to do. All right, so let's unbox. Let me tilt this, try not to, let me bring this over. So these are all the pieces, okay? And let me see if I can do something where I'm able to tilt this down so you can see. I'm recording. My son just walked in, y'all. Did you do all the sides? We're putting on pine straws outside because I don't want to get a ticket from the HOA folks. Buddy, can you flick this light on for me, please? The extra one. There you go. Thank you. Oh, yeah, that's much better. I'm going to check it when I'm done, too. You know, if you have a teenage son or daughter, mainly if you have a boy, you got to double check the work that they do. Okay? So they'll say it's all done and good to go, and next thing you know, you go outside, it's like, nah, come on back. All right, this is a chamber set. It says a quick start here. All right. And then we have a core strainer as well. We have the juice container. I'm gonna put this right here. And then we have the base. And the base goes. All right. Just gonna put all of that here for now because it's not about being organized, it's about getting started. And for me, I've juiced before. I used to make a lot of green smoothies, and I said, you know what, let me get back into the flow of this. Let me tilt this down a little bit. Okay, can you see me? So this is, we're unboxing this right now. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. This is really nice. Okay, a warm welcome from Nama. Nice. Top is hard, medium. So hard vegetables like your beets, your carrots. Medium would be your celery, cucumbers. Then soft would be like your lemon, oranges. And then at the bottom would be all of the leafy vegetables. So this is what they tell you, like your guide, which is pretty cool. All right, base. This is nice. Well, that's the where everything goes. We'll say that. Let me tilt this back up. Y'all bear with me. Bear with your girl. All right, so as I am unboxing, if there are any questions that you have of me and my channel, let me know. And I'll go a little bit deeper when I do an actual welcome to my channel video. But right now I said, you know what? I've been saying to myself, I need to unbox this for the longest, actually, well, for the last couple months. So why not make sure I do it now when I have the time. And also, the kids are chilling because it's Sunday currently right now. I like how it came in these nice little bags, like, and it was very neatly organized, which I really like. That tells me care for it. So I got the black one because I have a what is it? I have the Vitamix that I purchased back in I think either 2020 or 2021, and that's when I got into getting my nutrition certification. So this is the base, and I got the black one. This is nice. Look at that. Beautiful, clean. So I figure since my Vitamix is black and gray, kind of keep the theme. This is very nice. Okay, very, very nice. So what we do for assembly, step 1, assemble chamber set on flat work surface first. All right, so this would be the step. And step 2, oh, I gotta put the chamber. Where's the chamber? This is the container. This is a nice little packet. Ooh. This is a quick start guide. So for anyone who is juicing for the first time, I think this is very nice and thoughtful. I know how to mix different things, which is pretty cool. It also has an overview of everything that you have here from your box instruction. And oh, this is the quick start guide, so if you don't want to read the big instruction, but this is the recipes. Let's take a quick look. I love it. They have instruction, their philosophy, recipes, nice storing. So definitely your girl will be making a lot of juice. And for me, the reason I'm doing this is to have better health. Honestly, for me, it's better health overall. If you check out my Instagram channel, Chevy the Consulting, which is in my description, just click on that. You can check it out. And if you go way down, you will see all things wellness, recipes, food, exercises, all the things since 2020. So definitely go check it out when you have an opportunity. And all right, let's open up this one. This is the strainer. And I'm really liking this swivel of a tool that I'm using to hold my phone. And I had to put it up a little bit higher on the box it came in because it was too short. And I wanted you all to be, wanted you to be able to see all the things. So this is nice. Ooh. So this is where all the juice. Okay, it has double. This was the juice container and pulp container. Okay, so this is for the pulp. This is for the juice. So that's nice. And then the last box that I'm opening up right now is the coarse strainer. Okay. And then we have the feeder right here. Put all those boxes right there, but seem very simple to put together. So let's try and see. Bear with me, y'all. This is my first time putting this together. Ooh, is this done right? Okay. Let's turn this way so you can't see. As you can tell, I have not read any instructions besides just observing and looking. So remember the question I posed earlier about whether you're the type of person to read the instructions and view. I do both, but sometimes I really go just like based on what I'm looking at. But let me get this. It shouldn't be hard. It seems very simple, straightforward. Yeah, tip for number one tip for assembly. Assembly chamber set on flat surface, which I have right here. Okay, well this is already put together, which is great. This was step one, which is I think more likely people probably complained. So nicely done. And then place assembled chamber set on base. Please remove it before use. All right, let's see. Is it that easy? Wow. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And look at this. Isn't this cute? It says enjoy. You can't see it, but it says right here. Enjoy right there. Love that it's very intentional. I am really loving the look of this. Sleek, nice. Oh my goodness. All right, I cannot wait. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to chop up some fruits and vegetables, oranges. I have carrots, I have celery, and I have some kale, which I've had for a minute. So I'm gonna see if they're still good to go. And I will be showing you part 2 of me utilizing the Namajade 2 as I start this juicer, okay? Oh, came with a plug-in. Nice. Let's put this. Ooh, this is secure. Yes. Hopefully you did not hear me chewing this gum like. But let me know if you're watching this. Let me know where you're joining from, or where you're watching from. I might say I'm speaking as if I am live here on YouTube, but I'm not. But no, definitely let me know where you're joining from. Let me know if you're a mom. And I'm a mom of 3, single, retired military, Air Force, the best branch, okay? But I love all the branches because we're all brothers and sisters regardless, even though we be teasing each other. And I am excited to revamp my YouTube channel, which I'll share more about that as well. But like I said, here it's really about sharing about leadership, self-leadership, because that is so important, because leadership is a broad term, but for me, it's really focusing on self-leadership. And this thing is like, oh, you know what? It's like a belt. Oh, y'all, it's so good. Let's see, plug that in. Yeah, so self-leadership, which is the focus here, lifestyle and wellness. I want to say lifestyle, it's more of me running, because your girl, I love to run. That is my refuel. And drop in the comments, let me know, what is your refuel? Like, what is the thing that you love to do to keep you going when life is happening, when you're stressed, when you feel exhausted, when you feel mentally drained? Like, let me know in the comments, what is the thing that gets you to keep going? For me, running, movement, exercise, which we'll talk about that more and how that helped me overcome life challenges as well too. Okay. All right. So, oh, I got to take this off. You're probably like, Chevy, I can't even see the, let's do this right here. See this. All right, let's see. Do not ever put fingers, okay. Let's see. That's the other side to open that. I'm looking to see, like, how do I, let's make sure this is on the right way. Okay, so it's on the right way. That's the back, this is the front, or the side. It's on. Ooh, okay. So it comes with 2 of these. It comes with 2. Nice. I mean, for hundreds of dollars, I'm glad. That is pretty nice. So I'm going to clean this, rinse it out, and then I'm going to be adding my fruits and so forth. So come back for part 2 of me utilizing my Namaste 2. I believe it's number 2 that I purchased, y'all. Yeah, Namaste 2 cold press juicer. So if it's something that you like, hey, you want to learn more about this, I will definitely let you know how I like it, because this is my first time getting it. But what I've heard from friends and people who has this on YouTube, reviewers, they love it. And for me, I always kept saying, I had a small juicer that I got from Amazon a couple years ago, and I've used it, but I wanted something bigger. I wanted something that can do more juicing for me, because I want to do more of that. Like I said, I've done smoothies, and I have my vitamins for that, but this is something that I want to spend doing more of for me and my health and my family as well too. So stay tuned for part 2, my friend, and welcome to Lead and Live Well with Chevy, and I will see you in part 2. Okay.